Previously in episode 1, we have shared 10 tips on how to spot the fake Funko Pop. If you missed it, you can click the link at the end of this video to watch it. Now, let's zoom into how to spot fake black light Funko Pop. Let's start with Hulk black light. Pop logo has to be an orange-yellow gradient. The fake Funko number 822 has a darker orange-red tone. The fake Hulk has faded hairline and thicker trimming outline. Real Funko sticker has 0.15 inches versus fake sticker has 0.19 inches white gap. Now, let's check the top flap of the box. Similar as the front, the fake Pop logo did not have orange-yellow gradient. As well as the Hulk's hairlines, they are faded too. The Hulk's green tone is darker than the original. Lastly, the fake Funko logo has a darker orange-red tone. Other than the fake spot indicated earlier, the real Funko orange color has to be in bright and vibrant. Other than the fake spot indicator earlier, the fake Funko purple pants is in darker tone. Moving to the back, check the indicated fake spots. We also spotted that blue and green paint on the globe and the stroke is too contrasting compared to the original. Real Funko background card is in solid black and smooth finishing. Check the figurine. Fake Funko has faded yellow color eyebrow. The teeth and cheek lines are also faded compared to the original. Check the hair. Real Funko has glossy finishing. The purple pants is also faded and the pink strips on the pants are thinner in comparison. Let's switch on the UV light to check the black light effects. On a quick glance, these two Funko figurine looks good, but let's take a closer look. The fake Funko has poor black light illumination. Before we move on to Spider-Man Black Light Funko, please smash the like and subscribe button if you like the tips we share. This Spider-Man Black Light Funko is a must to add into your toy collection. We bought the Funko Spider-Man Black Light t-shirt and pop set. The t-shirt Black Light is so lovely. Now, let's do the real versus fake Funko comparison. The fake Funko do not have solid black tone. Next, we believe you have spotted the Pop logo that also did not have orange-yellow gradient too. Fake Funko number 652 is in shocking pink, and the background is not in solid black. Take a closer look. The Spider-Man mask is not bluish purple color, and the fake Funko has a thicker trim line compared to the original. Check for the indicated fake spots. Next, the font type and color are different. The number 652 is not in solid black color and lastly Spider-Man is not in bluish purple color. Check for suspicious fake spots. Similar as the Hulk's box, the blue and green paint on the stroke is too contrasting compared to the original. Check the plastic inserts. The fake Spider-Man's hand did not align properly with the plastic inserts. The plastic base also looked different from the original. Check the figurine. The fake Spider-Man has greenish color eyes. The two purple strips on the Spider-Man suit is faded. The Spider-Man icon is also smaller in comparison. We also spotted the print on the fake Spider-Man's arm is faded. Check the back. The fake Funko Spider-Man icon is in a dull pink color. The print on his right arm is different from the original. The black print on Spider-Man's pants is different. Let's switch on the UV light. The fake Spider-Man has poor black light illumination. The fake Spider-Man has two different blue tones on his bodysuit. The joint to the plastic stand is different from the original. The fake Funko detached from the stand easily. Take a closer look. The bodysuit has different blue tone. The fake Spider-Man has different pink tone for his head and body. Lastly, the fake Spider-Man's head is smaller than the original Funko. Let's avoid buying any fake Funko. Please smash the like and subscribe button if you like the tips we shared. Next up will be Marvel Carnage. Let's check it out. The PPG Pop price guide is at $230 US. Isn't it amazing? Let's spot the fake Funko. The pop logo outline is thinner. The black tone is faded. Next, we believe by now you are expert in spotting the orange-yellow gradient on the pop logo. The number 678 is in darker pink tone and the background color is lighter than the original. Look carefully. The fake Carnage color tone is slightly lighter in comparison. The fake Funko trim line is also slightly thicker than the original. Check the indicated fake spots. Next, for the pop logo, look out not just for the orange-yellow gradient. The original Funko has white tone on the exclamation mark dot area. Moving to the top of the box flat, check for the indicated fake spots. The fake Funko logo is in darker pink color. On the side of the box, check the pop logo. Next, the Marvel logo has white outline on the fake Funko. The Carnage title has different font type and color. Zoom in to take a closer look. Number 678 also has a faded color tone. Moving to the back, you should be an expert in spotting the blue and green color tone difference by now. Check the figurine. Fake Carnage has dull yellow tone on the eyes. The blue and pink tone is also different in comparison. The back is also in different color. The feet for the fake Funko is in lighter blue. Carnage head is 2.02 inches while the fake Carnage is 1.86 inches. Now let's switch on the UV light. Fake Carnage yellow and orange has poor black light effect. Let's avoid buying fake Funko. Smash the subscribe button and stay tuned for more real versus fake Funko. Here's the link to watch 10 tips on how to spot a fake Funko. Till then, happy toy collecting.